giving everybody an update. It is 11 o'clock at night. We have still had no power, no anything. The snows have closed everything down. There's ice on the road. There's no power for the oxygen nor the mattress so that I could sleep. I have to have an air mattress, the hospital style one. But more importantly, the oxygen machine and other devices. It is really, really cold. I'm trying to stay warm with blankets and scarves and mittens and things, but because of my size and everything else, we just haven't had any luck keeping me warm. I'm cold underneath my clothes. And because there's no electricity, the heater can't kick on. We get power for about 30 seconds, and then it goes back out. Just enough to have the heater pump out cold air, making it colder. It's, I don't know what the temperature is outside. Last time I checked, it was like 4 degrees, not 4 p.m. Pipes, everything has frozen. I just don't know how long we can keep this up. It says to seek shelter and everything, and we are in shelter, but I don't know. I'll keep everyone updated. I don't want to use too much of my phone battery.